Hey XRP Army, what's up legends? This XRP chart that's got the whole crypto world buzzing right now. If you're in the US, grinding through these volatile markets, strap in because we're diving deep into why XRP is flexing hard at $2.41 USD as of today, October 23rd, 2025. This isn't just lines on a screen, this is your ticket to spotting the next big pump. All right, feast your eyes on this Binance beauty, XRP USD over the last week. Closing that loop from October 17th to the 22nd. Boom, current price sitting pretty at $2.4132, up a cheeky 1.19% in the last 24 hours. That's no accident, folks. That's the market whispering. We're just getting warmed up. Look at those candlesticks. We've got a solid green push from that $2.19 low, clawing back like a beast shaking off a nap. Volume exploding to 17 million XRP traded. That's $240 million USD in action, way above the 5-day moving average of 16 million. Whales are dipping in, retail's piling on, and it's screaming accumulation, not distribution. Now zoom in on the main event. Those exponential moving averages are painting a picture straight out of a trader's dream. The 7-period EMA at $2.4002, hugging the price like a lifeline. The 25 at $2.4127, and 50 at $2.4359. They're stacking bullish, with the shorter ones curling above the longer 100 at $2.5231 and 200 at $2.6537. Translation: XRP's momentum is flipping from meh to let's go. No death cross here. This is a golden cross in the making, signaling buyers are taking control. Price bounced off that 200 EMA support like it was trampoline. If we hold $2.35, we're eyeing a retest of $2.64 resistance next. Break that, game over, moon mission activated. But hold up, let's talk the real MVPs down here in the trenches, the oscillators. RSI clocking in at 53.84, neutral territory. But that yellow snake is coiling up from oversold like a spring ready to launch. No wild overbought spikes yet, room to run. Baby, MACD's histogram at -0.047. Yeah, it's dipped negative. But check the DIF at -0.0069 and DEA at -0.0021. They're converging. Folks, that crossover's imminent. And when it flips positive, cue the fireworks. Bollinger Band squeezing tight around $2.41, with upper at $2.444 and lower at $2.3057. Volatility's on lockdown, but squeezes like this precede explosions. SARS trailing just below at $2.1673. Bullish flip incoming if we gap up tomorrow. Volume's the unsung hero. Those blue to brown bars spiking to 67.4 million on peaks. That's conviction, not noise. MA's on volume, 5-day at 16M, 10-day at 18M. Confirm the uptick, smart money's loading while the chart consolidates. This ain't random, it's a textbook setup for a breakout, especially with XRP's real-world juice from Ripple's cross-border wins, and that ETF chatter heating up Wall Street. So what's next for our XRP rocket? Short-term, over the next week to November, I'm calling a steady grind to $2.60, $2.80 if we smash $2.57 resistance. That's your quick 10 to 15% flip for the day traders out there. But zoom out to end of November. Analysts are piling on. CoinCodex sees a dip to $2.40, then rebound. But the bulls like Tech Bullion and Investing Haven are gunning for $3.33, fueled by shrinking exchange supply and institutional FOMO. And if that ETF approval drops, whispers from Gemini and the XRP community say $5 ain't off the table. That's 100% plus upside, turning your stack into a war chest. Realistic play. Watch for Fed rate cut vibes pushing risk on. If Bitcoin holds $110K, XRP rides the wave to $3.50 by December. Downside risk: a slip below $2.27 could test $2.10. But with this chart's resilience, nah, we're built different. There it is, XRP fam. This chart's not just data. It's your edge in the greatest wealth transfer ever. What's your price target for November? Drop it in the comments. $3, $5, or moonshot $12 like the bold analysts. Smash like if you're bullish. Share with your trading crew. And I'll catch you in the next one.